Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have some more run deals to talk about. This time we're taking a trip to Walgreens. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other videos that y'all might want to go and check out, because we do have a run glitch still going on at Dollar General. And today is Tuesday, so that is penny shopping day. We have new clearance markdowns, a new penny list. We have surprise pennies. So make sure that you go and check out both of those videos. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And now we're going to talk about Walgreens. Now, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. It has been a hot minute since your girl has stepped foot inside of a Walgreens. A few months back, I had some really bad experiences with Walgreens employees and customer service reps. So that really kind of turned me away from couponing and shopping at Walgreens for a while. Now, I know how Walgreens is, and I know that they have changed up a few things since I have been gone. They're always switching around the rules and trying to trip us up. So it's going to take me a minute to study up on everything. If you guys have any tips, if you know of any big changes that you want your girl to know about, leave it for me down in the comment section. I would really appreciate any help. Now, the only reason why I decided to go back into Walgreens this week was thanks to two amazing, longtime Craz-E couponers. Huge shout out and thank you to DWB, Deborah Williams Bus, and also JC for sending us in both of these deals. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and take a look at these deals. First up, we're going to start off with a deal on batteries. And whenever I say this is a definite run deal, this is a run deal. Now, I know that Walgreens has had several deals on batteries over the last couple of weeks. Several really good deals. This is another one, okay? So, here we have the 4-pack of the AA or AAA Walgreens brand batteries. They are normally $5.99 each. Look all over the place because I found these in 4 different spots on the shelves. As you all can see, here are the AA's. The AAA's were down the line there just a little bit. Now, I did try this in store and they rang up the regular price. So what you want to do is open up your Walgreens app, make sure that you're signed in, you have your correct store location set, and then you're going to search for Walgreens batteries. You're going to look for the AA and AAA 4-count, normally priced at $5.99 because they are on clearance right now for just $1 each. Now, like I said before, I have not been couponing at Walgreens in quite some time, so I still had all of my Walgreens cash still built up from the My W Days event. So, what did I do? I added as many as I could to my cart. There ended up being a limit of 12, but that could vary from store to store, okay? So, I added 12 of each one. 12 of the AA, 12 of the AAA. That put me at $24. You want to make sure that you use the code WAG10. That's going to take a couple of dollars right off the top. Now, I knew since I had $20 in Walgreens cash, I was going to use $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. So, here's a look at my order summary. Total $24. That promo took off $2.48. I had $2 in sales tax. Estimated total $23.60. But like I said, I used $20 in Walgreens cash, so I paid $3.60 for 24 packs of batteries. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the second run deal, but keep in mind, like I said, the shelves will be cleared, so put in these pickup orders ASAP. Even if you're not picking them up until tomorrow or the next day, go ahead and put in these pickup orders right now. So let's take a look at this second deal. It is also a pickup order, super simple and easy. What you want to do is open up your Walgreens app and you're going to search for Oral-B toothbrushes. You're going to scroll down until you see this one right here. It is the Oral-B IO Series 3 electric toothbrush, normally priced at $99.99, but they're on sale for $59.99. You're going to scroll down underneath the item and see which coupons you have available for this product. fingers crossed, hopefully you have this $25 off of one digital coupon. Now, not all accounts received it. If you have multiple accounts, make sure that you check them all, okay? Because I had this on one account, I do not have it on my second account. So if you have this $25 off one digital coupon, make sure that you clip it to your account, and then you're going to add that toothbrush to your cart for a pickup order. You're going to purchase it at $59.99, use the $25 off one digital coupon, use the code WAG10. That's going to take off $3.50. That's going to leave you paying $31.49 out of pocket. Now, I know that's a high out of pocket, but just stay with me for just a second. We do have this digital booster. Everybody should have this on their account. Earn $10 in Walgreens cash rewards when you spend $40. This is a monthly booster and it is reusable. So make sure you have that one clipped to your account. And then we also have this promotion going on for the Oral-B toothbrushes and other products. For when you spend $50 on those products, you're going to earn $15 in Walgreens cash rewards. So right there, you're getting back a total of $25 in Walgreens cash rewards. So that's going to make your final price $6.49 for a $100 electric toothbrush, which would make for a fantastic Christmas gift. But hold on, the deal could get even better, because right now on the P&G Good website, we also have a gift card offer as well. For when you spend $50, you're going to get back a $15 Visa gift card. Now, that does mean that you have to spend $50 out of pocket, so that is after coupons have been applied. But if you do this deal a couple of times on two different accounts, you would be up over that $50 mark. So save both of your receipts. Make sure that you go in to the photo counter so that you will receive a physical receipt. Save that receipt, go to the P&G Good website, and get the extra $15 Visa gift card. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I want to thank you so much for sticking around. I'm going to throw in a few extra deals here. Now, I know this has nothing to do with Walgreens, but usually where there's a Walgreens, there's probably a Walmart right around the corner. So just hop, skip, and jump right on over to the Walmart and check out their sock and undie and sleepwear section, because I've been finding some crazy hidden clearance over in that area. A lot of these were marked for clearance, but when I scanned them with the Walmart app, they were even cheaper. All right, guys, so there you have it. We are looking at another crazy week, jam-packed full of deals everywhere we turn. Walmart, Walgreens, Dollar General. You just never know what's going to happen next. So make sure that you turn on your notifications before you click off of this video. That way you don't miss out on any deals. And while you're at it, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you on the next one.